Okay, hello everyone. I am back here. Oh my goodness. So technology, right? I love it. So this is Evelyn here with Kids Saving Cleaning, Kids Save Cleaning, Norwex Independent Consultant. And this is our episode 1 of what I'm going to call our Lunch Break with Evelyn show. So I am planning to be in here live with you with different topics every Tuesday at noon Eastern time. So today I'm going to actually go over some of what's hot for 2019. And it is actually some of the few products that I began with as a customer of Norwex when I first got started. And this is phenomenal. Now it is in the new catalog and as a package, just the simple little products that I got that used to be a package way long ago, 5 years ago. But then it got taken off. And so now it is back in the catalog and I am just super in love with it. We call it the Safe Haven 5 set, and here's why. All right, so I also am going to demo the products and show you how they work a little bit. But all right, so let's get started. I'm here in my bathroom so that I can show you. And my topic for the entire month is decluttering. So I have bathroom cabinets that I have been wanting to go through in general. And just get rid of some things, declutter, get rid of what's old, keep what I need to keep. And so anyway, after decluttering, these 5 products are just super awesome, and I'll tell you why. All right, so beginning with the first one, and if you're here joining me live for just a quick little break, or you're watching the replay, make sure you comment replay if you're watching the replay. All right, okay, so I've got the EnviroCloth, and you can use it wet, you can use it dry. This is the cloth that's going to replace virtually every household cleaner that may be underneath your kitchen cabinet. And so it is awesome. Wet, you basically can use it to clean your windows, to clean it in every room of your household. Pretty much you can use it, for your boats. You can use it in the bathroom. You can use it in the kitchen. You can use it for the patio. You can use it just pretty much every place that you just want to go around and wiping. And after decluttering, it is amazing. Okay, so that's the EnviroCloth. It does come in 5 different colors, simply because if you want to coordinate, for different purposes in your home, then it's super easy to do it that way too. All right, the second one is the window cloth. The window cloth, it's shiny. It's basically great for mirrors, for glass doors, any shiny surface, and you can shine even jewelry with it. Just water. It's also considered a microfiber cloth, and paired up with the EnviroCloth makes super easy for window cleaning. So let me just show you the first one. Actually, before I do that, it's also paired up well with the dusting mitt. What we have found in our homes is that there's a bunch of chemicals that are just in our everyday dust. You really don't see the dust. Sometimes you can, obviously, in furniture. But just in general, dust carries a lot of toxins and chemicals, and you just don't even realize it. So what's so awesome about this Norwex dusting mitt is the way it is, the fabric that it is. It is intended to work off a static charge, so it's statically charged, and so it holds on to, it grabs to the dust, and it helps not the dust to come back. So basically it stays away a lot longer. So if you are new to Norwex, these are great products to pair up, is the EnviroCloth, window cloth, and dusting mitt. I'm going to show you just a little bit how I use it in my bathroom, specifically just those 3. But if you are you know, if maybe some of you are watching are actually a past hostess of mine or a customer for my VIP club, definitely share your testimonies on how this works for you. So let me check. Hey, Rebecca, so fun having you here. Becca's actually a past hostess as well, and I would say, I think you might still be a consultant yourself. So, all right, so let me flip this over. And, oh, don't you love it? Okay, so I'm gonna show you just how I do this. Let me see. Do you see my, okay, so this is a mirror that I have. And as you can see, there's a light fixture in my bathroom. And this light fixture, let me tell you, it creates a lot of dust, okay? A lot of dust that simply I just don't get around to as often, because as you can see, I'm actually having to climb just to get up here, okay? So when I get to this mirror, I'm already gonna have a lot of dust that is being just produced every day by this light fixture, okay? So I love to take my dusting mitt and dust frequently, just to be able to even clean my mirror, okay? So I'm just doing this real quick. All right, this makes it for an easier clean. So the dusting mitt, like I said, it works off of static charge, so that is the awesomeness of that one. Now I'm gonna take my my EnviroCloth, and this one happens to be the blue one, and I can now clean my window, or my, you know, mirror here, okay? So I just take this, and then I follow it with my window cloth. And the window cloth is amazing because it leaves your shiny surfaces shiny, streak-free, and, you know, easy. I mean, there's no smears, okay? So that is the awesomeness of those three products alone. Now, what I wanted to show you is two more, because you never really think about it, but sometimes in your bathroom you get a bunch of clogged, what do you call it, drain pipes kind of sometimes get clogged. And here in the bathroom especially, maybe, you know, my hair falls, or just shaving, you know, my husband, or we also cut a lot of hair. The boy, my husband actually trims the boy's hair here in this bathroom. And so I get a bunch of like clogged drains every now and then. So what I love to do, and this is the fourth one I wanted to show you, is use the laundry detergent. All right, the laundry detergent is amazing in itself, just because if you can see this, it says it has none of those chemicals that we talk about that we want to avoid in our home. So no phosphates, no SLS, no SLES, chlorine, no bleach, which if you live in the city or county, the water has chlorine anyway. So we're just talking about, in general, how to get rid of the toxins and the chemicals that may be just in our household cleaners, just additional chlorine, right? Additional toxin cleaners. So no chlorine or bleach, no fillers, and obviously no brighteners, no animal testing, which is huge for a bunch of us, and no dyes or fragrances. And in our home, we actually have one of our little boys that is very, when he was born, we realized real quick that he had a lot of skin irritations and allergies, and a lot of it was just from our clothes. So we realized really quick just the amazingness of getting rid of laundry detergents that maybe had a bunch of color, because we realized, okay, that probably has some fillers, some chemicals, whatever, fabric softeners that may just be causing an irritation. And then we all had to switch our clothes or laundry detergent. And this was just a huge saver when we found this, because we realized that on top of just regular, fabric softeners and things like that, there's actually more stuff in the laundry detergent that were causing the allergies as well. So we quickly switched over and found out. Next week I will show you how I'm going to do this. I'm not going to do this to you for demo this today, because what it's going to take is if you boil water, this is for your drain pipes, okay? If you boil water, just bring water in a pot to boil, and depending on how bad your drains are clogged up, something I have found that works phenomenal in not having to use, another chemical down the drain, and it goes into our sewage and the water and all that stuff, is you boil water, and then you take that pot of boiling water and pour it down your drain. And then you're just gonna take 1 scoop of this laundry detergent, however much you think you need, depending on, how bad your drain pipe is. And then as you're pouring the boiling water down the drain, you just pour this scoop of laundry detergent down the drain with it. And let me tell you, that does an amazing job cleaning the pipes. I recently also did that with my jewelry. I didn't realize, but it left my jewelry completely, my diamond on my ring, my wedding ring, just completely bright. So you can also use this for coffee pots, believe it or not. You know how sometimes it leaves a stain from the coffee? Hey Diane, oh my goodness, so good to see you. Thanks for taking a break with me today. So you know how it leaves the coffee stain inside the coffee pot? Well, you can do the exact same thing. Just put some water in the coffee pot and put a teaspoon of the laundry detergent, and just let it sit for like 10 minutes, even 5 minutes. You're going to see a complete shine, stainless steel inside the coffee pot. So whether you're shining jewelry or you're shining even your shoes, boys' shoes, just put them in a bucket, fill it up, or your drain pipes. Oh my goodness, it's amazing how this laundry detergent can work for different parts of your home. All right, and then the 5th one I want to show you real quick is the cleaning paste. This is what I got started with as well as the EnviroCloth, the window cloth, and the dusting mitt and the laundry detergent was the cleaning paste, and it's upside down. But this is a paste. Well, it actually comes as a block. It's hard, so when you get it in the mail, don't think that it's gone old. That's just how it's supposed to be. But when you mix it up with the water, and you can use either a Sperry sponge or you can use your EnviroCloth, but when you mix it up with water, it creates a paste, all right? So you can actually use it on your toilets as well. If you're used to a smell, when we first got started with Norwex, we were used to smells. The smell meant that it was clean. Later we find out that actually cleanliness does not have a smell. However, it was hard for the mind to make that switch. So I love the cleaning paste because it has an amazing smell, smell of clean. And if you're used to that smell and you're new to Norwex, you're trying to make that switch, it is a great way to help get you started. And also it cleans. It's great for stainless steel like pots. You can scrub pots. It's good for inside the coffee pot as well if you're trying to shine it up, but it's almost like an elbow grease in a jar. So I will demo those for you in the next couple weeks and just show you a little bit of how that works. But for now, I just want you to go ahead and comment replay if you're joining me watching the replay. And if you are one of my past customers or my past hostesses that are maybe in my VIP club, and you have these products, I'd love to hear your testimonies on how you've tried them and where you've tried them in, what places of your home you've tried them, and how they've worked for you. I'd love for you to post that. And then if you want, I'm actually having, I created a cleaning system guide for what to clean on a daily basis, what to clean on a weekly basis, what kind of things need to be cleaned every 2 weeks, and what you need to clean monthly, and then, periodically. Whether it's just the spring or every 3, months. So if you're kind of just wondering, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do in my home. Maybe you're a new homeowner, but maybe you've been in your home and you're busy. And honestly, just to be able to have a guide to go refer to would just make your life easier. Just message me or comment I'm in, I want in, or just write the words. Let's see, what shall we write? Want it. Okay, so just type want it, and what I'll do is I'll message it to you. And then you can get started with just having an interactive guide that you can always refer to. So thanks again for joining me for Evelyn, Lunch Break with Evelyn, episode 1, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.